All right, we got a CPKC eastbound coming with KCS 4688. KCS 4688. KCS leader, all right. Symbol on this train is CPKC 528. The 528 originates from somewhere in Minnesota, heads east to the Kenwood Yard in Albany, New York, where it terminates all on this Friday, November 21st, 2025. Denton, 2025. Denton the Rail Fan 2003 on YouTube. I'm actually out here to see the holiday train. The holiday train's gonna be coming in like 47 minutes. So I'm out here to see the holiday train today with 22:46 leading again. That same old GP20C. I think I hear a rumble. I think the DPU's coming. Met Rail. SIOX tanker. This train has a lot of shiny tankers like GBRX, CBTX, SIOX. A lot of these are new tankers on this train. Here comes the DPU. KCS 48, 45, 45, 85. KCS DPU, all right. Plus the old CP Rail Pac-Man grain buffer car. There goes 528. Off it goes to Albany, New York, which will probably be meeting with the holiday train somewhere. Well, folks, the holiday train will be in our next scene. Roll it. Woohoo! We got the CPKC US Green Line holiday train coming. 02H. Here comes the American holiday train. Woohoo! This is the biggest moment of my life. Like, of my life. So I already know the unit. It's GP20C 2246. Here comes 2246. I've seen this holiday train before in 2020, 2022, 2022, and 2023. Now 2 years later, I see it for the third time. There it is. The nice, awesome holiday train. Looks like he's stopping for something. There's all the cars. One of them say CPKC holiday train. Yeah, this thing is awesome and famous. Yeah, horn salute, woohoo! Frick yeah. We got the horn salute on 2246. Train, holiday, CPKC. Oh, there's Rudy the train. Copyright. Copyright. Here's some freaking passenger cars with people in it. There it goes, doing its event. I'm eventually going to go to Richmond Street to watch a stage, which will be off camera because of copyright music. I'm really not into filming stages with copyright music, but this will probably be it. Have a good day, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace to you.